Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel if this is your first time here. Today we're going to do a fragrance haul. So the holiday edition, I'm really excited because for Christmas I actually got 3 new fragrances that I want to share with you guys and unbox them, and I'm really looking forward to it. So starting with number 1 is Xerjoff Erba Pura. This one I've been eyeing for a minute. I actually tried this last year when I was in Bloomingdale's in New York. And I love this scent, but I feel like it didn't last too long. However, I did try it like in the winter season and it just wasn't sticking. So I opted on getting something from Roja. However, I did have a sample over the summer. And when I went to Aruba, I sprayed the sample on and I literally got compliments galore. And I really do feel like that this Erba Pura shines during the spring, summer, specifically summer. Like when I say the weather in Aruba is beautiful, it's like 80 degrees, it's very windy. So this was really projecting, like I was getting compliments after compliments. Like people was tracking me down for this. And that's when I knew that, okay, I need a full bottle of this. This sample is not going to do, and I'm going to need a full bottle of it. So thank you to my husband, aka Top Note, for gifting me this for Christmas. So this was definitely on my wish list. Next up is something my husband recommended, aka Top Note recommended, and it wasn't on my radar, but now it is, and I'm excited to try this. And this is Nishane, I think it's called Nishane. This right here is, from my understanding, I haven't tried this. This is definitely a blind buy, but I saw a lot of good reviews on this. This is a powdery scent, and I love powdery scents, by the way. It does have carrot seeds. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So let's like open it up now because I'm really excited to try it. So just open it up. And the thing I love about Nishane is that the packaging is really great. It always has a card that comes with it, with every fragrance that symbolize the fragrance. So let's see what this one is. And I keep all the boxes for all the Nishanes because I just think that it's so beautiful. Like the art behind it. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? And each card and each fragrance is different. Yep. So the top notes are bergamot, carrot seeds, cardamom, yuzu. Heart of the notes is water fruits and flowers, rose absolute, jasmine, also ylang ylang. Base notes is orris. Power notes also musk, patchouli, and sandalwood. So this also has the notes at the very bottom of this as well. So I'm really excited to try this, guys. Come on. As I open up the box, you can see here. Oh my God. He actually got me a full big bottle. I believe this is like the 100 ml. So I'm sorry, I thought he was gonna give me the 50 ml, but I love the 100 ml. Okay, Top Note, doing your thing. Okay, let's try this. And I love to always spray on me because, I mean, spraying on paper is one thing. And yes, I can get the notes, I can understand it, but it's better if I spray it on myself. I'm able to actually see how it works with my chemistry because, as you know, everyone's body chemistry is different. So just a few sprays here. I can just smell it already. Jesus, this is Nishane. Let me tell you something about Nishane. It will never let you down, like the longevity. I have about, and I'm going to do a ranking video really soon, but I want to say I feel about 6 already from Nishane, 6 fragrances, and never let me down on longevity, performance. Definitely compliment getters for sure. I'm just letting it dry down a little bit, but I can already smell this. This is a grown woman scent. You hear me? Oh, this is nice. Oh, yeah. I don't smell the carrot seeds as much, but it's mixed in really well. It's very interesting. Definitely powdery, but not too powdery or overwhelming powdery because I do have Amouage Dia 40, and that is really powdery. It projects a lot, but not as powdery as that, but Definitely a clean scent, clean woman scent. And I love that. Okay. I love this. This is a love for me. I'm glad that this blind buy was a success. Um, thank you again. But yes, this is amazing. I'm gonna be smelling my hand all day. Matter of fact, this is gonna be my scent of the day. I'm actually going out later to do some festivities, holidays. I don't know why I'm thinking about Thanksgiving. This is crazy. Christmas festivities, things like that. And yeah, this is beautiful. I like that a lot. The next one I have my eye on here is BDK. BDK is another brand or house that I love as well. I have three other fragrances from BDK. This will be my fourth, and this is Pas Ce Soir. They do have an extrait version of this, but this is the original. I did smell the X-rate version about a while ago. Top Note had it. He was thinking about getting it and he didn't like it as much. Neither did I. But I did get a lot of or see a lot of reviews on this, and women rave about Pas Ce Soir, definitely for the spring, summer months. So I'm excited to try this as well. This is the blind buy. And it's crazy because a lot of my fragrances that I purchased are buys. But let's open it up and see. I'm telling you, Top Note did his thing this year. His thing this year. Key to my heart is fragrances, baby. Okay. So here's the bottle. And look at that juice. Oh, this is nice. And I'm actually going to spray this on my other hand. Let that dry a little bit. And this is just first impression, you guys. Another full review or dedicated review will be coming out for each of these fragrances. After I spend some time with them and let them dry down, I'll give a full review on that. But this is just first impressions. Oh, this is nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is nice. It also has patchouli in here, amber. It has some floral notes also. Fruity as well, but not overly fruity. It's like a fruity floral. I can definitely see why women love this fragrance, and I can see why it's a hitter during spring, summer. This is definitely going to be my jam. So those are my fragrance haul I received for Christmas. So thank you again. I was super excited as I was opening the gifts. And last but not least, Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This is tried and true from me. I love Bum Bum Cream. I was wearing this when I was pregnant, and let me tell you, I did not have any stretch marks at all. It improved the elasticity of my skin. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So every time I run out, I always put in a request to say, hey, I'm running out. I need some more. But this scent is great. I always do the original. They have several different flavors of the Bum Bum Cream, but I always go back to the original. I love the original. And yeah, I mean, this is just tried and true. I love this stuff, and it's good for layering as well. Thank you for joining the channel, and more to come. So click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.